Hi. In this tutorial, I wanted to go over adding a greeting to an HTML page using JavaScript. And also, I'd like to have that greeting change depending on the time of day that it is. So, looking at the code, this is the index file, this building this here. And I'm going to be dealing in this H1 section, this H1 tag here that's hard coding in welcome that you're seeing here. So if I delete that and save, we'll see that it's no longer there. So what I'm going to do is add a script tag and pull in a JavaScript file. Content.js. So save. And let's make sure that this is and you can see a console log, and here is hello, and we're seeing that in the console. So that's a good sign that we're connected and it's working. So first of all, what I want to do is set a variable. So if I set a variable var greeting equals welcome, and I console log greeting, I can see welcome down here in the console. So what I'm going to do is I want that to appear up here in that H1. So I'm going to use document dot write and save that. And now you can see welcome is here in the H1. Now let's make that change depending on the time of day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a couple variables. Var today equals new date, and then var hour now equals today dot get hours, and then for my greeting I won't put anything in that. So it's undefined now once I save that because we haven't told what this greeting is supposed to be. So what I'm going to do is set up some if statements. So if hour now is greater than 18, then we'll set the greeting equals good evening, exclamation point. Else if hour now is greater than 12, we'll set the greeting equals good afternoon. Else if hour now is greater than 0, we're going to have greeting equal good morning. And then we'll do a else. Greeting equals welcome. So right now it's 5:30 p.m. So we should still see good afternoon when I save this. And we do. So what we've done here is set some variables to get a variable greeting. And we didn't define what that greeting variable is until we know what hour of the day that it is. So if it's before 6 o'clock, the greeting's going to be, or excuse me, if it's after 6 o'clock, the greeting's going to be good evening. If it's after 12 but before 6 o'clock, it's going to be good afternoon. And before that, good morning. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.